Hey everyone, how's it going? I wanted to show you something. I went to go call Katie, my iPhone, and I started hearing a weird message when I got connected. It was pretty crazy. I'm here right now with Evan. Probably remembered him from the hockey game. But I recorded it on his phone, what happened when I got connected. And I wanted to show you. So take a listen and tell me what you think. Wasn't there another one?
Yeah, I think so.
And there's one more. It changes. I was trying to talk to it, hoping that it would communicate. And it was like changing. Yeah, it made that beeping sound after my computer turned on. That was it. But yeah, it was kind of strange. Check that out. Tell me what you think.